The first example we are going to do is solve the equation 2y plus 5x equals 6, and we are going to solve for y. I will write the equation 2y plus 5x equals 6. My goal is to get this 2y all by itself. Since I have plus 5x, I need to isolate the 2y by subtracting 5x from both sides. I undo the addition by doing the subtraction, and then I have 5x minus 5x is 0, and on the other side I have 6 minus 5x. My next step is to isolate the y. Therefore, I must get rid of the 2 by dividing, because this is a multiplication problem. So I will divide both sides by 2 by undoing the multiplication by division. I keep this here and undo this multiplication, and it gives me y equals 3 minus 5/2 x. Some of you may be wondering where we got the 3. We can take 6 divided by 2, and that gives me the 3. And then I can take 5x divided by 2, and it gives me the 5/2 x.